Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen. I hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called GPT Planet. Okay, now GPT Planet is a GPT style website. Get paid to click, get paid to do something. And I've reviewed hundreds of these types of websites, and basically they're pretty cool. You know, you can come online, you don't need any skill set, very low skill set, and you can earn some money just by doing a few tasks on the website. So a lot of them are not legit, but GPT Planet is legit. But let's talk about it a little bit and see whether this is a good way for you to make money, or maybe you might decide that there are better ways for you to make money out there. All right. Now, if you come to gptplanet.com, basically, if you want to advertise, because they have quite a lot of people coming to their website, you can. But for you, you most likely want to make money, right? So you would come to the View Ads section. Okay. Now, with the View Ads section, all you would do is you would register, and you can register for free. You can basically register from anywhere in the world. And the way that it would work is you would go through all of these little ads and you would click on them in order for you to basically make some money, right? Now, on average, you will make about a tenth of 1 cent for every ad that you watch. Think about that for a second. That means that you need to watch 10 ads before you make 1 cent US dollars. Okay, now that is very, very little money. Now, it's real money. Don't get me wrong, you can earn real money from this, but again, it's going to take you a long, long, long time before you actually make any significant money, right? So I've done the math on it. If you make, if it takes you about 30 seconds to watch an ad, and you have to make, you have to watch 1,000 ads in order to make $1. Okay, it's going to take you pretty much the whole day, about 8 hours. All right, so that's a long time. It might seem easy, but it's not. So if you sat at your computer all day, for for a full 8 hour session, you could make $1, which means that if you did that every day for 30 days, you'll make $30, right? Now, there are easier ways to make money. Okay, I mean, you could literally go out there, you could walk dogs, you could paint fences, you can work for minimum wage at Starbucks or KFC or whatever it is. And just because it's online doesn't necessarily mean that it's a better way to make money. Okay, there are better ways to make money, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute, so stick around till the end of this video. But is GPT Planet a real website? Yes, it is real. And the good thing about it is their threshold to pay out is very low. It's $1. So you only have to make $1 before you can actually decide to withdraw your money through GPT Planet. All right. But again, the only thing is that it's going to take you a long, long, long time before you get to $1, right? So, I mean, look, if you have 2-3 hours a day extra, and you want to put that into something else, you may as well focus on your skill set and learn how to make much, much more money than hanging out on GPT style websites. So I've reviewed a lot of survey websites, a lot of GPT style websites, and PTC style websites, which are basically the same thing. You fill out surveys, you play games, you watch ads, and literally you're making pennies on the dollar. You're making 1/10 of 1 cent. Sometimes you make 1 cent, sometimes you make 3 cents, sometimes you make 8 cents. If you fill out a survey here and there, you might make 50 cents to $1. Okay, but it's still very, very little money, and it's going to require hours and hours and hours and hours and hours of work before you see anything significant. So, is it a real site? Yes. Is it legit? Yes. Is it going to help you to retire or change your life, travel the world, feed your family, and give you a great lifestyle? No, absolutely not, because they're not designed to do that. Okay, and they don't promise that. They just promise that they will help you to make a little bit of money for the time that you spend on the site. Okay, now there's a better way to make money if you're interested. All right, so this is what's called a very low skill set way to make money, and because it's low skill set, they pay you very little money. But if you want to learn a high skill set where instead of making, maybe a few cents here and there a day, you're making hundreds of dollars, 100, 200, 300, 500, 1,000, $2,000 a day, then you can do that. And that's what I do. What I do is something called affiliate marketing, where I find a group of people online that have a problem they're trying to solve. I find a product online also that helps them to solve that problem, and I just meet them together. I join them together. And when they join together, they make a purchase, and then I make a commission. It's very, very simple. And I've taught thousands of people all over the world to do this. I've got a student that's doing $10,000 a month. I've got a student that's doing $40,000 a month. Again, I'm throwing out very big numbers here, but you have to understand that they put in the hard work. They learned how to do it properly, okay? And it changed their lives, all right? So it's up to you. You can hang out on websites like GPT Planet, and there are many, many websites like this, by the way. Low skill set websites where you don't need to know anything. You just kind of click around. You make a couple of cents here and there. But if you would like to make real money, I'm talking about life-changing income, and you want to learn how to do it from the comfort of your home, wherever you are in the world, as long as you have an internet connection and a computer. I'm actually snowboarding in Austria right now. That's why you can kind of see the background. I'm in a hotel room right now doing this review, right? It's brilliant. All I need is a computer and Wi-Fi, and I can create content and my business continues to grow. Okay. So if you would like to learn how to do that, I would love to teach you how to do that for free. Okay. I've got a 6-figure affiliate marketing workshop. All you have to do is just click the link below this video or click on the arrow on the left-hand side or on the right-hand side if you're on your mobile device. On the next page, register for the workshop and then check your email. Okay. Because it might end up in your spam folder. If it ends up in spam, check spam, get on the workshop, learn how to do this properly, learn a high income skill set so that you can really create a real full-time income online. Listen, the internet is designed to be leveraged, okay? This kind of website, even though it is legitimate, it's not going to create any leverage for you. If you're not clicking on ads 8 hours a day, you're going to make zero money, all right? You need to learn how to create leverage, use videos, use tools, use software, use webinars, use paid ads, right? Even organic ads. When you do it right, it can create a lot of leverage for you. So I would love to teach you how to do that. Go ahead and register for the workshop below. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I'll speak to you very, very soon on the workshop. Take care.